Hello, this is Richard from Dream Yacht Sales, and welcome to St. Martin to talk about the fractional program with the Yacht Sales Director from Dream Yacht, Florentin. Welcome to St. Martin.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you. Welcome to all of you to St. Martin.
Tell me, Florentin, what is the fractional program?
Richard, simple, fractional. Why to own 100% of a boat when you use it only 10 or 20% of the time?
That's a great idea. How does it decline?
So realistically, Richard, is 5 owners who is sharing the purchase price of the boat, and they will be able to sell around the world.
So tell me, Florentin, what is the cost to enter that type of program?
So to enter the program, you can start from 120,000 euro up to 500,000 euro. Depends of the destination and definitely the model of the boat that you will purchase. From the brand XS, Bali, Fontaine-Pajot, Lagoon from Catamaran, and from Monohull, Dufour, Beneteau and Jeannot.
And what is the weeks of use for the owners?
Up to 5 weeks per year.
Can we enter the program now?
Yes, we can enter the program now, but depends of the season and the opportunity. And I invite you right now to get contact with your local broker to know which one is available.
Thank you so much, Florentin.
Thank you, Richard.
We're going to see you on boat shows everywhere. Fair wind, everyone.
See you, everybody.